Hey everybody, it's time for another 100 Mondays, show 47. We've come a long way, and today we're not seeing the Bernini, we're seeing my new piece that I'm working on. I'm working on an Ewok, 24 by 36. It starts out with pencil and it'll be acrylic on canvas. I'll be going back to Ginger's to show the other piece finished and everything, and I think some of you may have seen it already on Facebook and Instagram, but we'll be going back to do something on video with the Bernini piece. But for now, here's my new one, and it's going to be fun to do this. This will be a fun break, and see you guys next time. It's time for another 100 Monday.